place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the pace.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair, and they sent me their balayage highlights body wave wig. The wig is absolutely gorgeous, guys. This is the wig as how it came, and just look at how the color, look at the highlights of this wig, guys. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It is a body wave wig and a lace frontal wig. So this is how the inside of the wig is looking like. It has straps that will help to secure your wig. It also has combs inside that will help to secure your wig, guys. This wig is 22 inches long. It is gorgeous, and it is also 180%. I went ahead to spray the lace on my wig with this ebony lace tint spray, and just so it can match my skin properly. And then I went ahead to use my hot comb to make my hair sleek, so I can cut out the lace, because I find it really difficult to cut lace on my head. So I just tend to cut it on the mannequin head, and it really helps me a lot for an easy install.
It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So guys, I also went ahead to cut out section out my baby hairs, because I love just delicate baby hairs, nothing really serious. So I went ahead to like section out the baby hairs. So guys, I also went ahead to use this Hawaiian silky argan oil on my wig, and then I went ahead to add some waves to my wig, because the wig is a body wave wig, but as I cut out the lace and all that hot combing and stuff, it made the wave kind of loose. So I had to use my curling iron to add more curls to the hair, as you can see, and that was what I did. The curls are so juicy. The curls on this hair is beautiful. This hair is very good quality. So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Guys, this is one of the most beautiful hairs I have ever seen. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Guys, can you see this beautiful wig? This wig is giving, like, this wig is giving. Guys, can you see how long this wig is? Can you see how long this wig is? This wig is absolutely beautiful. And guys, this is the Wiggins Hair balayage 017 highlights body wave wig, and it is in the length 22 inches. Guys, for a 22 inches hair, this hair is very long. Like, for a 22 inches hair, this hair is almost at my waist. Like, to be honest, this hair is pretty long, and the density of this hair is 180%. Like, for a 180% density, this hair is very full. For 180% density, like, this hair is gorgeous. Like, this hair is absolutely beautiful. I love the highlights on this hair. Like, this hair is giving. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I am just stunned. This hair is gorgeous. Like, this is one of the most beautiful hairs I have ever reviewed on this channel. This hair is gorgeous. Like, I tell you guys, like, Wiggins Hair, I don't know what y'all are doing, but this hair is really good. The hair is good quality. Like, I am just stunned, to be honest. 22 inches hair, and it is this long. 180% density. For real, this hair is gorgeous. Like, the quality of this hair is so good. The quality of this hair, guys, it is so good. I'm just going to open out the curls just a little bit. Oh my god, guys, you can see how this hair is running through my fingers. This hair is gorgeous. The quality is so good. Gosh, the quality of this hair is so nice. Wiggins Hair, I don't know how you guys did it with this wig, but this wig is gorgeous. I love it. Like, I love this wig. I know it's going to be a commotion between me and my sisters. Like, I know that everybody in this house will want to wear this wig. Like, no jokes, this wig is so beautiful. I have gotten my Christmas hair. I don't know about you. If you want to, like, slay like me during Christmas, or even if it's not Christmas, like, maybe your birthday is from September to December, try and buy a good quality wig like this one, like this Wiggins Hair. This hair is so quality. Like, can you see how the hair is bouncing? I'm kind of surprised that a 180% density hair would have this kind of volume, and a 22 inches hair we have this kind of length. Like, seriously, if there's going to be a coupon code, or if there's not going to be any coupon code, just click on the title of this video. It will take you straight to my description box, so that you guys can go and place your order for this beautiful hair. Wiggins Hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful and lovely unit. I am in love with this hair. Like, this hair, oh my god, like, I am in love with this hair. Like, to be honest, guys, this hair is gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, then please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.